My name is Christopher Reed. I'm a graduate student at California State University, Los Angeles, and I'm the team leader for the EcoCAR2 project. I got into engineering because since I was about 5 years old, I've always been playing with cars. I did it mechanically, electrically. I had to fix my first car as a kid just to even be able to drive something to school. And since then, I got into engineering, and I've been a part of these automotive projects ever since the beginning. So as the team leader, I oversee the whole project, both the engineering side, the business side, and the communication side. And I'm also the graduate research assistant on the team, so I'm also using my thesis work and my research work on EcoCAR. I was getting into my graduate program, and EcoCAR2 had just started here at the university, so I decided this would probably be the next level to my automotive career. And since General Motors was one of the sponsors, I always wanted to be an engineer for General Motors, so it was a good fit. One of the most challenging things I've had to do on this competition was really getting the vehicle just to run. Changing out the entire front powertrain, adding an entire new powertrain, and getting everything to work perfectly, electrically, mechanically, controls, has been a complete nightmare. But the rewarding part was definitely at the year 2 competition being, as I would say, the most boring team because we never broke down. It was relieving to us to know that everything was working, we were able to complete all events, and we were able to score a lot of points that way. Well, one of the great things about EcoCAR2 is the fact that we actually worked with a lot of the same tools, software, and processes done in industry. The experience that we gain, in my mind, is directly correlated to what they would do when they graduate, and I think that's invaluable. Most of the time you're in these classes and you're talking about theory and what could possibly happen. Here we are working on a project, doing exactly what we hope to do when we graduate. A number of our team members have graduated and gone off to jobs with a lot of the sponsors. Our controls engineer just finished his degree, is now working at D-Space. We have a few that are lining up for jobs with General Motors, and we even have a few that graduated the year before and worked for Honda. I'm definitely going to miss the broad challenges that I'm getting here. Being the team leader, I get to do not just engineering, but business and communications, so I get to do a lot of different things related outside of my field. And I think I'm going to miss a little bit of that, but I think it's definitely good to move on. So I will be done in June, pending my thesis, but after that I have a job already lined up with General Motors that they offered me last year that they've been waiting for me to finally graduate. So I'm looking forward to moving to Michigan and starting my career as an automotive engineer.